Now, tonight the civil registry is under the spotlight for corruption. A small clique of officers are said to be enriching themselves by issuing fraudulent birth certificates. The Interior Ministry says the officers are creating a false crisis at the central registry in order to make desperate Kenyans pay more to get their children's birth documentation. Leila Mohammed begins our broadcast tonight.
The Subaru Outback, which has become synonymous with arrests, was the chariot that ferried some of the 24 officers from the civil registry to police stations across the city. The team that included Paul Kagiri, the Deputy Director of Civil Registration, were bundled into the vehicles late Friday afternoon. While some of these officers had served at the Central Civil Registry for more than 10 years, for one, he had been here for 30. While these and other arrests happened at various locations in the city, including private hospitals, the Police Inspector General told the country what was going on.
We have managed to arrest 20 suspects involved in the cartel of the illegal issuance of the birth certificates here. My team have also managed to arrest another 4 people at the St. Francis Hospital.
The Interior CS Fred Matiang'i visited the officers almost an hour after the arrests, stating that the situation had gotten out of hand, with many Kenyans feeling frustrated over long queues and sometimes taking longer than expected to get a document that is key for the future of their kin.
We are here to serve our people, not to humiliate them and frustrate them.
Last week, Matiang'i visited the civil registry offices and was appalled by what he saw. He apologized to those affected and promised to make things right in the near future. The government says that the civil registry is the first step for many non-Kenyans in getting legitimate documents.
That kind of nonsense, which is hurting our people, we will not work that way. We are going to work as decent and responsible public servants.
We've been working very hard to digitize CRS, and it's taken time, but I'm happy to report that now we have taken full control of the systems. The speeds that are required in terms of being able to operate have also been improved.
CS Matiang'i now says that the desperation on the faces of parents was unbearable for him to watch, and with January 1st approaching, many of those parents need a birth certificate to enroll their children into grade 1, and he now promises that by December 1st, 2019, all will be well in all the registration centers in Nairobi County. Leila Mohammed, NTV, Nairobi.